In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Apple Mail. Whether you're using an iPhone or an iPad, accessing your emails is as easy as pie, and I'm here to walk you through each simple step to get you up and running in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, you will want to have your iPhone or iPad ready. Apple Mail is a pre-installed application on all Apple devices, so there's no need to worry about downloading anything extra. Just make sure your device is turned on and ready to go. Now, we need to find the Mail app itself. From the home screen of your device, it's key to locate the icon that represents Apple Mail. You're looking for an icon that features a simple design of an envelope. This distinctive icon is usually easy to spot among your collection of apps. If you have a lot of apps on your device, you might want to swipe through your home screens until you find it. Or alternatively, you could use the search feature by swiping down on your home screen and typing Mail in the search bar to quickly locate the app. Once you have identified the Mail icon, the next step is to simply tap on it. Tapping on the icon will launch the app and take you directly to your inbox. Here you will be able to view all of your emails, both read and unread. If this is your first time opening Apple Mail, you might need to set up your email accounts by signing in, but if you've already completed this step, you should be all set. It's that easy. Apple Mail will promptly open up, presenting you with your incoming messages, or if you have opened the app before, possibly the last email you looked at. From here, you can effortlessly manage your email by reading, sending, and organizing your messages, all from the convenience of your iPhone or iPad. One tip to keep in mind is that if you frequently use Apple Mail, you might want to keep it on your home screen for easier access in the future. To do this, simply tap and hold the app icon until it starts wiggling, and then drag it to the position you desire on your home screen. This way it's always easy to find, and there you have it, a complete guide to opening Apple Mail on your device. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate the world of email with ease and simplicity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more helpful tips and tricks.